Hello everyone. Today I'm making Vietnamese spring rolls with shrimp and pork, a famous and well-loved dish in Vietnam. Not only are these spring rolls beautiful to look at, but they're also packed with nutrients. The combination of shrimp, pork, and fresh vegetables creates a wonderfully light and refreshing flavor. To make Vietnamese spring rolls, we'll need ingredients from three main categories. Main ingredients, vegetables and accompaniments, and dipping sauce ingredients. For 4 servings, the main ingredients are simple. 1 kilogram, that's about 2.2 pounds of pork, and 500 grams, that's about 1 pound of shrimp. For the vegetables and accompaniments, we'll need lettuce, garlic chives, Thai basil, cilantro, 2 cucumbers, 1 carrot, 1 pineapple, rice vermicelli noodles, and spring roll wrappers. For the dipping sauce, we'll be using 150 grams peanut butter sauce. You can check out how to make it in the video linked in the description. 15 ml soy sauce, 50 grams finely chopped pineapple, 10 grams minced garlic, chopped chili, and water. For the shrimp, once they're fully cooked, peel off the shells and remove the heads. Then, slice each shrimp in half, lengthwise to make them thinner. This helps when rolling, making it easier to wrap. Just like this. Also, make sure the shrimp are cleaned properly, especially removing the black vein along the back. After slicing, rinse them again with hot water and let them drain. For the pork, slice it into thin, slightly longer pieces so the rolls look nice and neat. When it comes to Vietnamese spring rolls or any fresh rolls, pork belly is the best cut to use. It has the perfect balance of fat and lean meat, keeping the rolls moist and flavorful. For the veggies and accompaniments, we'll be using lettuce, garlic chives, Thai basil, cilantro, cucumber, carrot, and pineapple. Everything has already been washed, and the cucumber, carrot, and pineapple are cut into long, thin strips for easy rolling. Now, let's move on to making the dipping sauce for our Vietnamese spring rolls. Today, I'm making a peanut dipping sauce, a rich and creamy sauce made from roasted peanuts, combined with other flavorful ingredients. We'll also add soy sauce for extra depth, blended pineapple for a hint of tanginess, plus some chopped chili and garlic for a little kick. First, I'll sauté minced garlic in a bit of cooking oil until fragrant. Then, I'm adding 150 grams of peanut butter sauce. Keep the heat low to prevent the sauce from burning. To enhance the flavor, I'll add 70 milliliters of water, 15 milliliters of soy sauce, 50 grams of blended pineapple. Now, give it a good stir and bring the sauce to a gentle boil. When it comes to dipping sauces for Vietnamese spring rolls, there are a few popular choices: sweet and tangy fish sauce, peanut dipping sauce, and fermented anchovy sauce. Mom Nem. Each sauce gives a unique flavor experience. Among them, Mom Nem has the boldest taste, but not everyone enjoys it, so sweet and tangy fish sauce and peanut sauce are the most commonly used. Once the sauce starts to boil, turn off the heat and pour it into a bowl. Add some finely chopped chili for extra heat. The blended pineapple can be adjusted to taste, depending on your preference. And just like that, our peanut dipping sauce is ready to serve. Now that all the ingredients are ready, let's start rolling our Vietnamese spring rolls and plating them. For rolling, I'm using rice paper wrappers. These are specifically made for fresh rolls, so they don't need to be fried. First, lay a rice paper wrapper flat on a plate. Add some lettuce, fresh herbs, and a garlic chive. When placing the chive, keep one end aligned inside the roll and let the other end stick out. This makes the rolls look more visually appealing. Next, add cucumber, carrot, pineapple, a small portion of rice vermicelli noodles, and a slice of boiled pork. Now for the shrimp. It's important to place them properly to make the rolls look nice. Instead of rolling them together with the veggies, place 2 to 3 shrimp pieces on the upper part of the wrapper, with the outer side of the shrimp facing down. Then start rolling tightly. This way, when the roll is finished, the shrimp will be clearly visible from the outside, making the rolls look even more appetizing. And there you have it, Vietnamese spring rolls with shrimp and pork. They look beautiful and so delicious. Dip them in peanut sauce, and you get the perfect combination of fresh, slightly nutty, and rich flavors. I hope this video has introduced you to another delicious Vietnamese dish that you can make for your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.